Hi everybody, Suzy and Rafa here from Cheeky Seats. We're going to show you just how easy it is to put one of our seat covers on. This is a Kymco People 50 seat. You get the seat cover only, not a whole seat. Rafa's showing you the guidelines. You use those for positioning. Starting at the back, line that up with the edge of your seat, that black line. And then the same thing here, slide that down. So you do the back, then you do the front. Adjust the sides. The pull stop. Smooth it out. And there you have it. Kymco People 50 with a brand new look to it. Fantastic. Visit us at Cheeky Seats. Thanks.